Next question is from Fahim Hussain. He's asking, who would I be needing to hire? What would be my team if I am to start building a portal? Fahim, you didn't mention what kind of portal you are creating. So let me give you a general product development team setup, that what all kind of roles and what all kind of people you need to hire for developing a product in a particular business area. The first person would be a product manager or a business analyst who will have the domain expertise of that particular domain in which you are creating a portal. So if you are creating a portal in healthcare domain, so somebody who has a good expertise in healthcare domain and probably a good degree also, probably MBA in healthcare or something like that. I'm not exactly clear about the degrees, but someone who is a domain expert of that particular business domain would be your product manager or business analyst. That would be the first person who will kind of drive the requirements, who will do the communication with the all the associated parties, all the end users, and create the requirements for your product. So it would be either a business analyst or product manager. Then the second one would be, of course, which can be also done by a product manager, that is a project manager or people manager who will manage all the people, assigning tasks to them and all those kind of things. So project managerial things, so all those management things will be done by a project manager. So you will require a project manager also. Then you will require a architect, a technology architect, a solution architect who can design your complete technical solution for your portal. So someone who has to take the decision that which technology to take, whether it is .NET, whether it is Java, which technology will be used to create backend, which technology, which kind of database will be used, whether it will be NoSQL database, whether it will be a SQL database. So you will require an architect for architecting your system or setting up the whole architecture of your system, that what kind of your physical and software architecture, like how many servers you will require, or like what all things are required for running that portal based on the kind of users you need in your systems and all those things. So you will require a software architect who can set up a architecture for your application or your portal, as well as he will of course divide your portal into different modules, technical modules, and then probably he can also work as he can give the task to team lead. So these, like, software architect is basically your bridge between technology and business requirement. So he will basically convert your business requirement into a technical thing which developers or technology person can work on. Apart from that, you will also require, since you are developing a web portal, you will also require a creative person, or I would say that creative architect or web, you can say design. There are many design people, so you can say you will require a UI UX person, so user experience design expert. You will require that, who will basically design the user experience of the complete system. Probably you will require a web designer also, who will design your website, your user experience designer will basically design your website UI and user experience, that how the user flow will happen. And then after that, your website designer will change that user experience into a HTML, or you can hire a front-end developer also who can convert that into HTML. But again, primarily web designer are the one who basically convert your user experience design or UI designs into HTML designs basically. And then after that, of course, you will require a front-end developer, a back-end developer, and a database expert to manage your portal and everything. So all in all, you require product manager or business analyst, project manager to manage your people, software architect to design your architecture, then you will require UI UX expert to design your UI, web designer to design your website, and then developers to work on that web application or portal. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care, bye bye.